Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. I am your host Eric, and today is just going to be me. So let's get this thing started. Let me fix this camera right quick. Alright, so we're starting off with the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're borderline neutral. Right now we're still a bit greedy. So best time to buy is when we are in the red, when everybody's fearful, saying, oh, it's gonna go to zero, or this is no longer viable and stuff like that. So right now, not a real good time to put a bunch of money into it. Decent time, but not the best. Crypto halving clock. You guys have 274 days, 15 hours, 39 minutes, and 20 seconds. Hurry up, time is ticking. So a little bit of analysis. We're just going sideways right now. This is the 1 hour chart. We're just going sideways. So it looks like we're probably going to drop 29k, and we could go 31,000. So we're probably just gonna be bouncing from those two levels. So every time you see it at 29, it's a good time to buy, in my opinion. So I have these indicators. Let's see what we got on the prediction. So in the 1 hour, it is predicting we're gonna drop down to 29,800 on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour chart, it is predicting that we're gonna crash below my support line, which is 29,000, and we might go to 28,300. That's in the 4 hour. If we go to the daily, it's actually predicting we're gonna go high at pretty much 34,000. That's what this indicator's saying, but I'm not buying it. I'm just sticking with these two lines of support at 31,500, the resistance and then the support at 29,500. I believe we're gonna be bouncing in those two for quite a while. Another one that's getting traction is Solana. Where's Solana at? Let me go to the 1 hour. So Solana has been doing very well. It went above this channel, broke out of it, and then it broke out of this resistance line, and now we're fighting this triangle. We're at 27, and if we break below this triangle, we might retest the green parallel channel. Come on. So we could either, if we break below this green line, we're probably gonna go back to 22,000. If we break above it, we're probably gonna hit this resistance line. Sort of. We're gonna go to $35 on Solana. Solana's getting a lot of traction. Other news. Let me find it. Right here. We got the weekly recap. The US judge rules Ripple XRP is not a security. So when that happened, XRP skyrocketed. As you can see here, it went from 46 cents all the way up to 95 cents, which it doubled. This thing doubled in a matter of, let's see, in 2 hours. It doubled in 2 hours when the US judge ruled XRP not a security. Other things that's going on is the US inflation falls to 3% lower than expectations. So usually once we get inflation back to normal, every investment should go up. We got Europe is launching Bitcoin ETF this month, which is big. Anything dealing with ETFs is usually big. And then former SEC chairman says spot Bitcoin ETF should be approved. So that is a big deal. Coinbase is gonna relist XRP. So if you guys are investing in XRP, I'm not a big fan of XRP, but I believe you could make a lot of money with it. Here goes. SEC acknowledges BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF application. SEC acknowledges Fidelity, Vanrock, Wisdom Tree, and Vesco Spot ETF. So there's gonna be a lot of ETFs coming in, and if these get approved, we're gonna see massive money going into Bitcoin. Bank of America ordered to pay $250 million of charging illegal fees and opening credit card accounts without customer consent. Australian Securities Exchange received its first spot Bitcoin ETF application. So more ETF stuff. So prepare, you guys. We're gonna see an explosion in Bitcoin, and on top of that, we have 272 days before the Bitcoin halving. So I believe this year is gonna be massive. So in other news, we got coins that are under $1 at the moment. So we got Stellar at number 1. I'm not sure how much Stellar is, but it's below $1. Pretty much Stellar is the same thing as XRP or similar. They're trying to do, from, I guess I haven't really kept up with it, but from what I researched 2 years ago, Stellar's trying to do similar things as XRP. I know they're doing a lot in Africa. We got Cardano that's at 32 cents. VeChain is at 2 pennies. I've never heard of this one. Holo. And Engine is an NFT platform, which I believe it's, let me see, where's Engine at? And Engine Coin's at 31 cents. So if you guys want to figure out how much money you could possibly make, just go to coingecko.com or download the app on your phone. Look at the all-time high. So this one was at $4.82. So you want to divide the all-time high by the current price. So let me take out my calculator. Oh, this is calendar. Okay, a little bit of technical difficulties, but I finally got this thing working. So, like I was saying, if you guys want to figure out the potential gains that you could make off of a coin, you want to divide the current, the all-time high, which was $4.82, divide that by the current market, or the current price, which is 31 cents. So $4.89, right? 82. $4.82 divided by 31 cents. So 15. So you get a 15x. So whatever you put into it, you could expect a minimum of times 15. So let's say you want to invest $100, you multiply times 15. There you go. You get 1,500. You want to invest $1,000, multiply that times 15. You'll get $15,000. And that's how you invest in these coins. But just rule of thumb, as soon as this thing doubles, I would recommend you take half. Whenever crypto doubles, I recommend always taking half, so that way you don't lose money, because crypto is really risky. So in other news, we got the NFT, the Flash. You could purchase the movie as an NFT, so you're actually going to own the movie. It says the new DC Comics superhero film, The Flash, will be available on NFTs the same day that it hits traditional digital platforms, confirms the Warner Bros. The Flash Web3 movie experience will be available for purchase on July 18 via blockchain. So what are the perks? Is what I'm trying to figure out. So special features can be accessed. Artwork can be collected, and augmented reality collectibles can be unlocked. Owners of the Flash Web3 movie experience will also receive a voucher that can be redeemed to claim a DC3 Superpower Pack NFTs from DC NFT Marketplace. So I guess you're gonna get a lot of stuff just for buying the movie as an NFT. Because if you, let's say you buy it through a streaming network, if you ever lose that account, or like let's say you unsubscribe from that account, you lose that movie. You have no access to your movie anymore. Same thing I guess with I'm trying to see, I'm not too sure if it's with iTunes, but if you unsubscribe or you delete your account, you lose it, and you can't recover it. There are 2 NFT options available to fans, and every purchase comes with randomly selected character-based key art, with each its own level of rarity. So yeah, so there's gonna be a lot of perks if you end up buying NFTs, and it looks like we're gonna be seeing this a lot. You're gonna be able to buy movies, buy theater tickets, and do other things. I know in Africa you could have identifications as an NFT, so you no longer need to be carrying physical cards and stuff like that. It's in the blockchain, and they could prove your identity through code. So it'll be interesting. We got other news. They're saying Biden is preparing for ground war with Russia as World War III warnings escalate. So if World War III happens, we could expect all investments to tank. So be prepared for that. Nothing is guaranteed in life when it comes to investments. So we're gonna check our portfolios and call it a day, because there really isn't much that I could find. So here's Miguel. This is how much Miguel has: 1,733. I have 1,972, and Lalo has 1,800. So pretty much my philosophy is, if you save up $10 a day and on Sunday invest $70, you could just slowly invest in crypto. As you can see, this is how much we've accumulated just investing $10 a day in crypto. It's possible. As you can see here, Lalo has gained almost $300 just doing $10 a day. And there's like no excuses like, oh, I can't afford it. You could mow somebody's lawn and charge $10, or do something, do a little side gig and get that. So alright, you guys, that's all for today. I'll see you guys next Sunday.